Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to whitelist an email in Outlook. So I'm using the Outlook 365 version that comes with Office 365, and as you can see right here, if you want to whitelist an email, you want to go to this junk options, which are in the home section. So let's go. You need to go to this mail section, because when you are in Canada it won't work. So go to this mail section and then search for the junk emails. Maybe you have like no ribbon at all or a simplified ribbon. So what you want to do is, if you have the simplified, just go to this junk options right here, or if you don't have the ribbon at all, just click home and the ribbon will show up. So let's go to this junk and go to the junk email options. And as you can see, you have this, first simple options, and what you're gonna do is go to the save senders, and as you can see, you have the save senders list. If you want to add an email, just click add, and here you can write an email. So I'm gonna write example123 outlook.com. It doesn't matter, just click OK. And right now this email is going to be the whitelisted, and also you can check these boxes, so also trust email from my contacts, and automatically add people I emailed to the save senders list. And after adding these people here, the emails that you want to whitelist, just click apply, and from that time, after you click apply, the emails that are here are going to be whitelisted. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!